Put your weapons away.
That's his second phase.
I miss box creatures. It's a shame they're going extinct.
None shall escape his wrath.
The only boss Kratos can't take down.
He's certainly a big boss.
The wandering dog, and during phase 2 he stretches his neck out.
Your average Dark Souls boss when you go to phase 2.
The box crab had began clicking its maces cast lightning quick.
Strongest boss in the game.
Yo, white sail, bitch, we live life.
The lime gave Bro cerebral palsy.
Never mind. You did enough.
He tries to get vitamin C and got instant arthritis.
15 different face expressions in 15 seconds.
System rebooted successfully.
Bro said, "I'm done," without speaking. He became an actor for a few seconds and left viewers in shock.
You did it better.
Lost a few brain cells for a bit down.
Ay, shawty bad, and she fine, fucking with.
But those moves.
Yeah, boy.
If you read this message, it means you are gay.
Bro did not forget the swinging Sarah.
That's a trap.
It's just a prank. The prank.
Never skip a low-quality reel.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
0% language, 100% understanding.
Bro was caught lacking.
Oh my effing god. I just opened Insta and damn. It's enough for today.
Even fascists did not allow themselves to do so.
Where is the sequel then? He rubbed his hands against a tree.
Nothing wrong here. Just a guy shitting watching another guy shitting.
What kind of car is this, baby?
The dog is still in trauma.
End-to-end encrypted language.
Bro traumatized him.
Bro has a little too much traits of his ancestors.
Bro got his competitor.
Uno reverse.
Bro met the wrong guy.
1 versus 1.
The pain of knowledge.
They really are just like us.
Give him a cigarette. He'll eventually figure it out.
I've seen enough. Make him pay taxes.
Sometimes you just gotta do crazy shit to feel summoned.
Buddy held it there longer than I expected.
Bro was about to cast Fireball.
Lil Bro flew a bit too close to the sun.
Bro rediscovered fire.
He is in the second stage of evolution.
Hijabwe surfers.
1 Fatima down. 1 Fatima down, I repeat, 1 Fatima down.
May the blast win. I mean best.
Better title is Fatima is Furious.
Isn't running haram?
running away from the backpacks they just tossed at the crowd.
All them other niggas lame and you know it now. When a real nigga hold you down, you supposed to drown.
Beetlejuice's cousin Cricket Milk.
He looks easy to draw.
AirPods, shawty. I'ma catch up.
Giving him those oversized glasses is diabolical.
He chew.
This brother skipped evolution.
A level of coolness we could all only pray for.
1. Diabolical chewing. Knowing even. 2. Man's on the left absolutely geeked.
Looks like a knee.
Black, Muslim, and down. Bro pick a struggle.
God cursed him 3 times.
Bro, someone said God cursed him 3 times.
Every day I get on this app, I fight for my spot in heaven.
Bro reading Victoria's Secret.
We know you have ticket to the heaven, but please don't drag us to hell.
He doesn't fast. He's slow.
One eye on the Quran. One eye on us making sure we're listening.
Pick a struggle.
There is no treasure in that chest.
Anyway, there's nothing to hide.
And no way she pulled up dressed like the Big Show.
Her kid's gonna be starving.
The world is flat.
My iron board got lost. Help me find it.
Are the titties on loan?
Tell that little boy to put his shirt back on.
That organist with the stop chord was diabolical.
Fastest confession ever.
The organ brother.
Most honest pastor I've ever seen.
Even the organ was shocked.
At least she's an adult.
Lord said I'm with ya, bro.
It's about time I go back to church.
When a best outside little bitch, you better be.
Bro, her genetics didn't even try bro.
He must be the funniest guy in the world.
Whole pre-cum-made family.
She was desperate.
God just be making people.
Welcome to Earth, our family.
Wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy.
No DNA test needed.
These kids finna get bullied for a life.